Hey! So if you're watching this, you're interested in new and innovative things. Stop scrolling. So I found a new company that's offering something a little out of the ordinary. So if you follow me, you know that I support new companies. I support companies that offer products that real people use in the real world. Enter Contingency Medical. Now, what is it, you may ask? Simple. These guys are offering doctor-prescribed medication as well as other medications at prices that are attainable, which is very important. Now, I already have a fully legal amount of emergency antibiotics on hand. But what I like about this company is that they offer more than the other brands do. Now, so far, I really like this company as well as the process. Now, if you're still here, check this out. Now, as usual, I'll lead by example. I've already ordered some, but I want to take you through the process. Of course, there's a link in the bio. Look for products I support, scroll down to the bottom, and click the text or logo for Contingency Medical. Then get started. Select the pack you want. I recommend the Go pack, unless you want a kit that's a little bigger. It will ask you to make sure a few times and send you to your cart, where you can proceed to checkout. The next few screens are the standard, we need a credit card, and where do we send the kit kind of stuff. Once that goes through, you'll be asked to enter info for the doctor, questions that a doctor would ask you. I did notice a problem with the camera in the app. The way I got around that was I had already taken a picture of my driver's license. Yes, you have to prove who you are. And then I just uploaded it because it asked me after it failed. It asked me if I want to upload a picture. That's what I did. Then when all that's done, Contingency Medical's doctors will check your info and send you a few emails. It's really that easy. Of course, it should be said that you're an adult and you should be checking to make sure you know what you're ordering. Anyway, I'm jazzed and I will be looking forward to reviewing the full kit as soon as I receive it for you guys. And I think that's all I wanted to tell you. Until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.